lang, bakit iniwan nga rin nila naka-on yung PC in the first place? Diba?
Ang
Bakit
question
sasabog
doon is,
yun eh?
sumasabog ba ang computer?
Yun nga tatanong ko.
Iiwan mo yung PC ng 2 linggo, hindi sasabog yun.
Exactly. Sa call center nga, like ilang days na naka-on yun 24/7. Wala pa naman sinasabugan na call center. Parang yun na nga. Ang inaano ko kasi din, kung may tao naman dun sa building na yun, kung may sumabog man, pwede nilang patayin yung
wala daw.
sunog or
what?
Diba?
So who made this computer? Samsung?
Wala daw tao.
Parang weird nung nangyari.
Yung lithium battery niya, ganon.
Maybe it was Samsung lithium batteries, yeah.
Yun nilalagay sa airport, ay sa aeroplano, yung mga sumasabog na Samsung. Gano'n. Yung sa PSU daw niya, yung brand LPG, kaya sumasabog.
Gasol yung brand nung power supply niya. Pero let's be a bit diplomatic kasi may mga naging issue naman talaga na may mga PSU na sumasabog, specifically gigabyte CPUs siya. Pero ilang years ago na kasi yun na may
capacitor lang yung sumasabog eh. Tapos small pop lang sila, parang popcorn lang eh. Hindi siya yung sasabog na
hindi siya pag tumabog siya masusunog yung bahay mo, hindi siya ganoon.
Uusok ng konti siguro, gano'n.
Unless you douse it with water, I don't see this happening.
Weird talaga. Weird talaga.
Naka-on siya, no? So, ibig sabihin may nagda-download ng torrent siguro.
May nagda-torrent.
Download torrent, yeah.
Again, being diplomatic, nagka-issue din ng yung power connector ng mga bagong PSU, yung mga 12 volt power, na pagkamali yung pagkakasaksak sa GPU.
Nagme-melt yun eh. Yun.
Baka umover yung melting, masunog.
Nagme-melt siya if mataas yung consumption or yung power usage. Pero if naka-idle naka-render siguro, no?
Baka naman nagre-render sila, di ba?
But still, this is DPWH. You would think they would have planned this like before.
Planning. What are they planning?
Na-plan nila.
For this kind of thing.
Mukhang na-plan nila. Allegedly.
This is planned, okay?
Gamit ito, word of the day, allegedly. Lalo na sa
Allegedly. Let's call the bullshit out, okay? Let's not be about this.
Yeah, immune kami, nasa
may message
kami.
na naman tayo from a government employee after nito.
Gusto ko yan.
I mean, Sir Joel's not paying attention, but Sir Joel's not paying attention to it, but I am though.
Yes. I have to admit, ever since na nandito ako, medyo the things that happen over in Pinas, I have had a little bit of trouble keeping up with. Marami kasi nangyayari. And I am relying on you people like you guys, mga gamer, Kwentong Videohan, anybody else to give us kung ano yung mga pinakahuling balita or pinakamagabagong. So ito, medyo bago ito sa akin. And I have to admit, it's a little, sabi nga sa mga sus.
Yeah, sus AF, yes, I agree. So yun yung natin. Guys sa chat, sa mga manonood dito, what do you guys think? Ano nangyari dito? Is this accidental?
If may UPS din pala sila, lithium batteries yung mga yon, possible na sumabog yon. Nangyari yon sa South Korea. I think government data center nasunog because of that.
Yeah. UPS kaya sila.
It is amazing how we tend to justify this incident, okay?
AVR yung binili nila, pero UPS yung price. Yun.
Yan ang tama. Surge protector yung binili nilang saksakan, pero sabi nila UPS.
Baka extension cable lang eh.
Declared UPS, pero hindi.
Yes.
Yan, sarap ba? Anong tawag dito? Paano masusunog yun Pentium 3 yung ginagamit niyo?
Which is more reliable than Pentium 4.
Oh, yeah. It's true.
In-overclock nila eh, no?
BFP lang ang authorized mag-investigate ng mga sunog, which is true. Kasi yung guard nila goes duty. Saan gawa yung PC component sila sa C4? Convenient talaga.
CDR King daw.
CDR King. Sarado na yun. Pero CDR
yung i-mention eh. Kasi
let's
wala
not bring CDR King in this, okay?
Yeah.
Their products may be shit, but not
insulto. Sorry, CDR King. Sorry.
Now, honestly, huli akong umuwi, nung kita ko na sarado na yung CDR King dun sa Greenbelt, naiyak ako. Sayang, nalulungkot ako.
More like
end of an era, no?
Oh.
Yeah. Tapos sabi, may service na nga ako ng servers dati, 1 taon, walang patayan. Baka may tinatago sila na evidence kaya sumabog. Sabi ni Avian.
Wala naman daw nasunog eh. Pero again, before going overly political,
Ay, oo,
let's go
sabi
sa
nga
ating
pala
next.
nila, yeah, tama nila.
Oo.
Sabi nila, wala daw kahit na
Nadamay
na anything important.
Matigas.
Sabi nila.
Important.
Importante
Alin.
sa yung importante
Importante
is
para
subjective.
saan?
Subjective.
Oo.
Subjective. So, kung ano man
Yeah.
yun.
Pero,
yan.
Okay, so that's all our topics for today. So kung meron po kayong topic suggestion, feel free to leave comments sa mga social media na makikita nyo kami. Ayan, just search for Pinoy Gamer or pinoygamer.ph. And shout out po sa mga sumusunod.
yeah, shout out to the following. So, Wilhelm Gaming, Gijon, Zedrak Zeros, Enslin Porter, Tito Popoy, Power Ranger, Demon Lord Revan, Izuria, Mamay Taunot, Doomweaver, Foxbane Chill, Todd Segi, Pebbles Gaming, Chimkin Burrito. And then salamat din sa mga chatters natin, sila Kuma March, GM Shadow Games, and Kent Puccino, Joe Maruti, sino ba?
Tito Popoy.
Mark Strangeles, si Premier Avenue kanina, si Avian 2X, nandito rin siya. Yeah, and then Gijon, yun. So naman, Torns Hub, yes, Torns Hub, sorry.
Kanina iba yung nasabi.
And then
Shout
si,
out to Sir Dan and Miss I, they're covering, especially
Yan.
with Miss I. She just went under a major surgery. Stay strong, Miss I. We'll see you in the show.
Yeah, so may additional pa kayong gusto i-shoutout? Go ahead, go
yeah.
ahead. And,
Not so much. We're just very thankful. Maraming salamat sa Pinoy Gamer for hosting us. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Napakabait ninyo. And the audience. You guys have a great audience. Very active sila and masaya sila kausap din. Ayos sila.
I think this would be the best time to do this. We would like for them to be in our show.
Yeah.
yes,
Check us out.
Timeless Gamers Show.
Go.
Pasok tayo doon.
Gamers.
Go.
Visit